Alright, it's my first computer build. We have the 800 watt Tagan BC modular power supply. 2 XMS DDR3 2x2 equals out to 4, which in return is 8. Corsair 1600 megahertz memory. We have the Monsoon CPU heatsink and fan. It is huge and it is beastly. We next have the, it's a little bit lower end, but it's alright for right now until I get my 295. But the 9800 GTX Black Edition by XFX. We then have the P6T motherboard. It's not the deluxe like everybody likes, it's just the regular. I didn't feel like spending the extra, I think it was 50 or 60 bucks, just save a little bit of money. Got the Intel Core i7-920. No reason to go for the 965 or the 940 or whatnot. XP Pro 64, which we'll be upgrading to Vista Ultimate 64 once I get the 295. Get all as I can out of the DirectX 10. It's my hard drive. It's weird. 500 gig SATA. Then we have the case. A little hard to see. I'll turn the night vision on. Light's not very good in here. The Thermaltake, whatever, something or whatever. It's got a 250mm side fan. That's all you need to know. And then I got a little antsy and went ahead and put the LG DVD drive in. I'll be recording a little bit of it as I'm building, and then of course you'll see the completed product when I'm done, and you'll see some game footage, which probably won't happen until tomorrow. Which then again, this video right here that I'm recording will be edited on the new computer. Alright. Now I have the power supply in. Took forever for some reason. Didn't work on the motherboard. There's the i7. 2.66. There's the stock fan, which I won't be using. There's that big Mabba Jabba. It's gonna go right up on there. See, yeah, it's me tight. Thing is a beast. That's how big that sucker is. See? Boom. There's the beast. The Black Edition.
No, I came here to think about Chloe.
Looks good. Measure it up to something. Let's see. That's what it's gonna look like. Alright, there she is. Finally done. There's my modular supply all lit up. You can't really see the heatsink and fan, you can sort of see it. That's it going right there in blue. Got my one fan right there, another exhaust fan, my big 250mm exhaust. There's an exhaust fan up on top, and then that's the intake right there. And just doing the regular, partition, setting that sucker up. But well, hopefully I can get a video of the graphics and how they run in Crysis, and I'll have up, of course, my 3D Mark Vantage score soon, since my graphics card came with the software stuff. Let me go ahead and just turn the light off. Oops. Looks nice. Real nice. Looks good. There she is, all complete. See what happens when you click on Crysis. We're gonna run the 64-bit version.
Maximum gain.
Graphics. It's at 1440 by 900. Won't let me go anymore. Anti-aliasing, I'll leave it off. I could put it on, but don't need it. V-sync, I'll leave off. Advanced. High, 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 high. High, 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 high. If you try to go to change all settings to very high, you can't do it because I don't have DirectX 10 or Vista. So let's just see what it looks like.